To get to your sound settings, we scroll to the right, setup, sound. Now in your sound setting, under premium sound, you have speed dependent volume control with the largest change, moderate change, smallest change, or if you don't want any change, you select off. You also have a startup maximum volume limit, which in other words, when starting the vehicle, lowers media volume if they are higher than factory set maximum startup levels. You have your position. This is a position of tone. Here you have your treble, mid-range, and bass settings. Your navigation guidance volumes, navigation alerts, camera alert distance, navigation volume priority, mute navigation guidance, and your welcome sound is all found in the guidance tab. Radio noise sets the noise control method for the radio. So right now it's preset to minimum noise reduction. If you want original sound, you select original sound or maximum noise reduction. That would be found under radio noise. Next step over, driver assistance, warning volume. Activates the steering wheel vibration warning. So this is if you get close to an object, your steering wheel will vibrate. Forward attention warning sound, lane safety warning sound, blind spot safety warning sound, driving safety priority, and parking safety priority sounds. So all these sounds are controlled by the warning volume. Last but not least, this is where you have your connected devices. You're able to select from Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Here's where you're able to adjust the volume of the Apple CarPlay features as far as your media, your phone, your ringtone. That means when someone calls you, if you want your phone to sound really loud in the car, you would just increase the volume here or have it preset to the 16.